Maintenance services is a very useful assortment of functions for basic motorcycle maintenance. AFV, which means Adaptive Fuel Value Reset, is an important function that should be used after any service operation that affects the real volumetric efficiency of engine cylinders. Adaptive values are values that are constantly updated while the engine runs in a closed lambda loop. These values are then used by the control system in modes where the engine runs in an open lambda loop, or in the event of a temporary loss of information from the oxygen sensor. The way the adaptive values change is most commonly influenced by gradual changes in the passability of the intake and exhaust tract of the engine. Another important factor is the aging of spark plugs and changes in ignition settings. Service operations which are, for example, removal and cleaning of the intake filter, removal and cleaning of the exhaust pipe, changes in ignition timing, spark plug replacement, etc., constitute a sudden change for the engine's fuel preparation system. The service technician should always perform a reset of the adaptive values after such operations. The injection control system will quickly start setting new, updated adaptive values, AFVs, once the engine starts running. The new setting will stabilize after traveling a few dozen kilometers, usually around 50 kilometers. The second item in maintenance services is service mode. Once the function is activated, you can move away from the motorcycle with the key fob, and the alarm will remain deactivated. The feature can also be used if the motorcycle is being transported, repaired, presented in a showroom, etc. Once you approach the motorcycle with the key fob again, the function will cancel automatically and the alarm will work as normal.